Hey everyone, Logansfarm here. It's 4th of July, hotter than hell out. And I figured I'd do a little video. Having some hams. Yep. Look what I got. Onions. Sweet onions too. I can't remember what kind they are. I just know they're sweet and they taste pretty good. These are out of the garden too, so not store-bought. What I recommend to do with these is chop them up real fine, put them in a pan with butter, garlic, fry them up so they get a little brown, maybe even some crispy. And you take it and you put well, if you do it in a pan, you throw a couple hot dogs in there too, fry it up all with it, and then when you're done, you put the hot dogs on your bun however you like it, ketchup, mustard, and you put the onion on there and whatever sauce and melted butter comes out of the pan. Oh, it's wonderful. But I figured I'd do a little video today that will contain a few things. Nothing real impressive, but I figured it's the holidays, so. I'm going to make my best attempt at the shotgunning a Hamm's beer. I haven't really been, I don't know, lately I just haven't been right. I haven't been able to shotgun worth of shit for a while. But I think I can do one. And Hamm's American Classic Premium Beer, born, sorry, hard to read with the condensation, born in the land of sky of blue waters. So, yep. Let's see how this goes. Fucking bugs. It's hard to get my finger under there just straight too. Alright, let's do this. Oh. Oh, foam comes up. Yeah. There's going to be a little drizzle on the bottom of the can a little bit. But foam. Oh, yeah. Now that's something you do. Probably wasn't very fast, but I wasn't going for speed. I was just doing it to do it. Haven't done it for a while on camera, so figure why not. And staying with the fact that it's the 4th of July. There you go, rugby. Staying with the fact that it's 4th of July. Bottle rockets. That didn't go very far, but oh well. What do we got? We got Whistling Moon Trailers, made in Hamm, China. Yeah. Here, we'll do something here. It's kind of hard to tell where this is gonna. Hard to tell where this is gonna go, but Oh yeah, the dog loves the stuff like that. Let's see if we can do something again. Trying to get it to zoom past the camera so you can see it, kind of thing, but that was neat. Came out of the garage, hit the ground right there behind the car, and 45 degrees off that way and went over by the garden. And yes, that dog only has 3 legs. Well, I think that about sums this up. Anybody who stumbles across this for as far as beer drinking purposes or just my average viewers, Mustang is down right now with a fuel system problem. Either the pump's dying out or I got stuff clogging up the lines to the fuel pump, because I can blow air back through the lines and it'll pump fuel good for a little bit, and then it starts bogging out again. I don't know if the pump's just giving up or if it's just clogged up, but yep. So just tossing this all together in kind of one video. Well, anyways, I guess happy 4th of July to everybody and all that good stuff. I'm going to sit here and drink beer, so everybody have a good day.